That's awesome.
Now that it was back to just the three of us, we were eager to get out of town. We were ready to seek out some remote, quiet anchorages and get back to living that off-grid life on the hook.
These are our new friends. ¿Cómo se llama?
Erasmus, Fred.
So this is the father, padre, abuela, see?
Yeah, it's really kind of humbling to see such great families, and they're so sweet, and they just want to, like, you know, share their lives and stuff.
¡Hace frío!
Oh, it's so quiet on the boat now.
I know. It's always so different when a crew member leaves. It feels really empty. But I think it's time for us to go too, so it feels good.
Yeah, I was checking out a route to the San Blas.
Oh, really?
And I think there's a couple of cool stops we can make on the way. Like we can stop at Zapatilla.
Oh, cool.
There's like a little place outside of Chiriquiri Bay that looks cool. So all we need to do is head in, get some veggies, some fresh veggies. We're already fueled up. We've got all like the dry goods.
Yeah.
So we'll get veggies and then we'll be off.
Veggies and yeah, just provision a little bit to stock up because I don't think it's going to be like a lot of good stores on the way.
No.
So we stock up a little bit, get some fresh stuff, and then start hopping our way.
Yeah, it looks like good bread. Eggs, unrefrigerated, good. I got all the good stuff. True. Triple sock. Margarita supplies.
This is your favorite vegetable stand?
Yeah, this one is pretty good, and it's like super close to the dinghy too, which is very nice.
What are you gonna get in here?
Pretty much all the veggies. Mangoes, papaya, tomatoes, carrots, potatoes, all that stuff.
They got it all.
Yep. Okay,
How'd we do?
we did real good. I like this fruit stand.
Yeah, Nugget even got some banana. You get a free banana?
You got free banana. Nom, nom,
All
nom.
right, 23 bucks. Fully loaded up
So
with 2
cheap.
bags of veggies.
I know, it's like crazy.
Last foray into town, huh?
I know. Last time
It's
into
been a
town.
cool place. Really enjoyed it here. I'm also looking forward to seeing some more of Panama, you know?
Yeah, some different places.
Yeah, I love it here. It's so chill, the people are so nice. Shopping's easy, the anchorages are amazing.
And now the fun part begins, to fit all of the food into the fridge. We have quite a lot of stuff, but a few things can be left out kind of in our baskets here, and I will just kind of try to, you know, rotate everything and make sure that nothing goes bad. But it's a little tricky when it's this hot. I think we're all tucked away. This is our fruit basket, which is pretty full. Have the potatoes and stuff over here. Onions over here, as potatoes and onions shouldn't go together because then they ripen a lot faster. And same with bananas. So, and here's the fridge. Pretty packed too, but not too bad. Should last us for a while. Just wanted to pause the video for a second to give a huge shout out to all our amazing patrons out there. You guys are really the ones that make all of this possible, and there wouldn't be any videos without you guys.
So if you enjoy the videos and would like to help support our project and keep the videos coming, please go ahead and check out patreon.com/SVDello so you can see like all the gear and all the perks and everything else you get when you join our inner tribe.
Awesome.
Thanks so much and sending you all much love.
Back to the video.
Bye.
Bye.
Whoosh. Setting out from a port still gives me chills. It doesn't matter how many times we've done it. There's just something special knowing that you're all full of provisions and fuel, enough to last you for months of off-the-grid living. It's an incredible amount of freedom. So we decided to head out to a little protected bay called Bluefield on the Chart, where we hope to see more of the simple, remote side of Panama. Made it to a little place called Kusapin, which is in this Bluefield lagoon. It's pretty cool. There's like a little village here and it's very quiet and it's very calm.
What have we here?
Congratulations and celebratory drinks. We did it. We're out of the city. We're off the dock. We're at anchor in a beautiful spot. And I brought you a gin and tonic to celebrate.
Ooh.
This one is my strength. This one is Kaz's strength.
Thank
I think we
you.
need more gin and tonic in our lives.
This sounds good.
And I brought music too.
Oh.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers, Nugget.
Cheers.
Cheers. Our first morning, instead of being awakened by the roar of a plane overhead, we were greeted by a group of smiling kids that paddled out to say hello in their traditional cayucos. We've been surrounded by cayucos today. They all came up and they sold us bananas. Everybody's going back home now. Bananas. And they asked for Cokes. And they asked for Johnny Cakes. Give it to him. Nom 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 nom. Thank you, Sierra. Hola, ¿cómo está? ¿Cómo se llama? ¿Qué pasa? Nada? Bocas was a lovely place. But the problem is each time I spoke what I thought was Spanish, someone would respond in English. And so my Spanish was more than a little rusty. Okay. But out here, I had no choice. Ready? If we were gonna communicate, I'd need to bust out everything I remembered from that high school Spanish class ages ago. Cool. Our instant camera for the Wall of Fame shame has always been a great icebreaker. So I decided to break it out and give it a shot. Good? Yeah, and that one. And as it turns out, the coconut telegraph is just as fast as a smartphone to get the word out. Okay, apparently the word is out. Once we took the photos of the other kids, now all the other kids are dropping by and asking for photos. It's okay, you can come up.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Brian. Brian. ¿Y tú?
Edinat.
Adinat. ¿Cuántos años tiene?
9.
9 años.
¿Y tú?
45. Bienvenido. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's coming out good. We have another photo request. You put on your makeup and everything. Okay. Aww, nice. You like it? Unfortunately, not all of my clientele were ecstatic with my work.
Borrosos.
Borrosos?
No, se ve bien.
No, comprendo. no tengo más. Zero, no más. Lo siento. But at least you have one.
What's your cooking for dinner?
Ooh, tonight we're gonna have cauliflower rice, which is awesome because it's easy to do and it's delicious. I just grate it like this and then it's fried in a pan with a tiny bit of like sesame oil and some salt and pepper. And then these guys, so our friend, ooh, it's dripping. I won't take it out of the bowl, but we got a bag full of lobster.
Oh, did you buy those today?
I got those from our friend in the Cayuco
Nice.
that stopped by. This one comes bearing langosta, lobster. Look at that. They're a little small, but they're nice.
We haven't had lobster in a
I
while.
know. I'm excited. That is a delicious salad. Wow. Boom. Here you go.
Oh wow.
Lobster
Brian.
feast.
That looks amazing.
Ooh.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh, that's perfectly cooked, Brian. Thank you.
Bon appetit.
Thank you.
Varsågod Nugget, varsågod. Well, as soon as we arrived, we got surrounded by cayucos, and these kids have been coming up and asking for little bits of line and selling us bananas, and then they asked for a Coke and doing a little bit of trade and bartering. I guess one of the things they do is they take you to the waterfall, La Cascada, or Cascada, I don't know how to say it. So we're gonna go on a little mission, check out the waterfall. These are our new friends. ¿Cómo se llama?
Erasmo, Freddy.
Nice to meet you. I'm Brian.
Yeah,
Sierra.
Karen?
Karen. ¿Dónde las cascadas?
claro.
Ahí.
Y vamos a amarrar cayucos.
Sí.
Sí.
No problem. Fast, rápido. Ahoy Delos Tribe, the YouTube algorithm works in mysterious ways, and you have no idea how much engagement from you helps us. So please smash that like button, send us a comment, and if you're not a subscriber, it's super easy. Just click below. Here in this place, surrounded by the jungle, and taking guided tours with a couple of kids, it felt like we were back off the beaten path a little bit. Just how we like it. Our new friends were taking us up a small river on a little jungle cruise that hopefully would lead to a waterfall where we could cool off. To be able to navigate Maggie up this shallow river into the jungle is something truly special. The stillness of the water was broken only by our bow wake. The jungle in Panama is rich with life, and every possible space is taken up with something growing and living, oftentimes all on top of one another. Here we are. Looks like a good spot for the dinghy. See you soon, Maggie. Nice. What is it?
It's like one of those with a big bill like this.
Oh, a toucan?
Yeah.
I think I missed him.
It's really interesting. They have this concrete path going, I think, all the way to the waterfall, maybe. I don't know. Sierra is very happy to stretch her legs.
So this is the family that owns the property here, and this we met with his sons. So this is the father, padre, abuela, see? And now we're gonna go walk to the cascade. Gracias. Whoa. Reminds me of the one in Brazil.
Yeah.
Wow, cool. You wanna go in? Swim, swim, swim. Swim, swim, swim. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. Hace frío. Mama, come on in.
That was awesome. Really refreshing. Fresh water. Now we're trekking back.
You got a nice walk through the jungle.
Yeah. Did you get a banana, Sierra?
No.
Oh. What a nice banana.
Nice.
Yeah.
Say thank you for the banana. Tack, tack.
Oh, this.
Yeah, it's really kind of humbling to see such great families, and they're so sweet, and they just want to, like, you know, share their lives and stuff, and they really don't have much. They were asking for like some books and pens and stuff. So I'm gonna see if I have some spare books that I don't really use for Sierra. The kids were a little older, so I don't really have any clothes or anything, but yeah, really nice family, very sweet. It's amazing out here in the jungle too.
Up next on Delos, it's time to set sail for our next destination, the San Blas Islands. It's gonna be an amazing sail, I can feel it. Baby Nugs is gonna be perfect. There'll be no vomiting. Everybody's gonna be happy when we get there. But things didn't go exactly as I had hoped. I felt sick, and I never feel sick, and I was like, oh, what is that? Is that what it feels like to be sick? No, it's disgusting. Nugget, you look like a character.
She refuses to take her dainty little shirt off too. Not going very fast here.